fucking autoloader.
I tried to track it.
Burn
Looking at
fire.
Oh, I thought he was gonna burn all the way up.
He's looking at me. Gosh, 48's gonna be back there with him.
Yeah, I got tracked out by the Foch B that rushed up here, because why wouldn't you suicide Natiti up here?
Action stations.
God damn it,
Good.
he's got me.
They don't have quite the list of ships there.
My engine's fucked.
Does any of us have a Nelson?
That Bosch is on reload.
Is he?
Yes, he clipped into me.
No, but if you have 70, no, is it 75,000? 300. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of free XP. You can buy one. There were a couple, but there's no Nelson in the regular Trek tree. Right, but it's not that class is not in the tech tree. No.
My engine is fucked, and I got 40 seconds.
And right now the meta is tilted toward battleships, like heavily right now. That's why so many people are playing them.
I'll help out in a minute, Mill, once I get my fucking
Yeah, I'm just not gonna poke on where 2 tanks can shoot me. I'm gonna go around and shoot the fucking Patton only.
This fucking gun sometimes, man, is awesome.
Enemy warship.
Alright, engine's back in. All I did was fucking.
Patton gave up.
All stations. Concentrate.
I crit hit him somehow. I don't even know what I did. Must have been the gun or the turret.
What a
Nice.
stomp.
I guess you should be thankful the Patton blocked 800 damage. Because the previous incarnation would not have done that.
No, I bought 1,200 on my tracks from that fucking thing. Bosch. See? That's naughty.
Lucky. Is it always that slow, or is it just playing a T49 today?
It looks somewhat the same. But it's so slow.
Torpedoes to port.
I can't believe we ever not Yogi Grand battles. And, you know, pulling 30 10s out in what, 10 seconds?
Yeah.
It's just 30 10s right there.
Enemy destroyer blown up.
Ugh.
Yeah, but if they don't have it turned on.
They turned her on, do they?
Yeah, well, a lot of people around the forums are like, turn it off, never get them anyway. It's just like, well, that just fucks everybody else over then too.
God, okay, yeah, no. That's every bit the logic I would hope for out of this community.
I'm not loading in.
No, 2 seconds.
I'm still not loading in.
Alright, we gotta push them into place!
Meat shield. Where does this thing do? 1, 5.
pretty far back on the cap. You should be safe for a minute.
I'm willing to bet that for whatever reason it's just not gonna load me in. It's probably fucking up again.
Wow. That was fun.
I turned away for half a second and then your health was gone.
Patton, Fat Chat, Streb, and TVP. Instant. Everything
It's
penned.
dead. This is important for us to realize that although the tank is better, it's still not good. Fuck.
Like, he just got melted.
And a TVP tossing heat, because why wouldn't you?
Right now, fucking spinning, trying to get this game running. It shouldn't be. Come in.
Okay, you're still okay.
It's not gonna let me in.
Smoke generator started.
Did you put a new mod pack on or something?
I use no mods. It's only about 1/5 of the way loaded, just like it was before. I have enough fucking clue why it's not gonna work, but it's not gonna work.
Fucking LT100 over there.
Rogue first responders basically out there when there's life-threatening situations. We reported earlier about first responders who were killed today in the line. Major, talk a little bit about the risk involved with control, protecting and serving during a major.
I'm gonna use you for spotting damage to X, I'm sorry.
That's fine. Something about World of Tanks here after the patches.
There's a survey you can take.
Our team has taken the lead. All stations reporting the position of a strategic target.
Fell down in that fucking guy.
All stations reporting the position of a strategic target.
I was hoping he wouldn't see me. I like my scent.
Man, I'm staying lit for like 12 fucking seconds. This fucking sucks.
I think I'm gonna log out, guys. I'm gonna run a check for the tanks that are, see if that'll fix it for tomorrow or something. I got a shower and go to bed anyhow.
Ah.
Alright, X, well, thanks for the games.
Yep, thank y'all. Yep, thanks.
User disconnected from your channel.
Well, doing more than I ever have in the patent, then. At least there's that.
It's more forgiving, that's for sure.
Gun doesn't feel as,
User
as
disconnected
impressive
from your
as I
channel.
remember.
Engine boost activated.
Maybe it's just been eclipsed by everything else.
Alright, well, we running.
Yeah, give her another try. Got a crew booster up. I've only got 2 skill on this crew, so. Or 2 of my guys, anyway.
I like this tank a lot more. It's more maneuverable, kind of better. You know, it's not doesn't sit so awkwardly high on hills.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more gun depression, but the accuracy, oh. 0.28,
Well,
I think.
I'm gonna buff that turret, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I gotta get working on that too. You won't be surprised to hear I have the tier 9 of that too.
Oh, really? Huh. I didn't see that coming.
Right?
Two good light tanks on each side. See what happens. One's new in his tank. The other one is, I guess, still. The other one's new too.
We definitely got out heavied, but we might be able to take the hill pretty easy.
Fox says he's racing the hill.
Fox not racing anywhere. Thanks, Trev. Appreciate your contributions.
Shut off. Fuck it.
Engine
What's the other 48 fat doing? He gets let, he's, you know, fucked.
I don't know what that is happening there.
Scout. Med. He's a scout med.
Just got Minox and camo, maybe.
He has some damn good camo. Those things are, you know, 250 meters. He's not getting right, apparently. Do not fight her your gun. And you will live. Okay, can I?
There he goes.
I can't allow you
If
to
he came
61.
back up to hit me.
I can't allow you to do the 61, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, my friend. I cannot let you do this.
Just no. You can't. Just get out of here, die.
Yeah, this gun used to shoot straight. I don't know what happened.
You're used to more accurate guns.
I guess. It does. The E5 and the 48 are still dated.
Ah, do this, big guy. Let's do this shit. Oh shit. E5 down.
There's quite a bit there.
Down E5, down. Oh, I shot that into the dirt. I twitched. That is a lot of fucking heavies. Back up, back up, back up. Oh, and
Fuck.
268. Get out of here, 268. No one wants you here.
Shoo. Right in my cupola. Why not?
He's already dead. Yep, that might back him off some. They just lost 268 just like that. Oh, look, I'm gonna see 75. Get you fucking out of here. Get out of here. No one wants you here.
Fair.
Ow! Wait, 6 Patton, don't peek over the edge too far, you'll get shot in the sun. Oh, fuck.
Or do anything really, because Artie's here.
Nah. Ow! Fucker. I think he's going for me. Stay away from me. Oh,
Will do.
I7, you're doing a biggie baddie mistake. I must punish you for it. Yeah, got the front plate. Should have played.
Oh, I didn't pen with heat. Good.
Oh, get that track wheel. I think he's gonna get away. He got away.
They're backing off.
Oh, E5, I missed it. Well, they got more tanks than us here anyways. Be careful. You can always counter push pretty easily here.
I think we got them scared.
I'm bluffed.
Yeah. A couple more shots of damage can really make that work.
Don't die on me. I wanted that guy.
Ah, right over his fucking.
E5, watch out.
Ping ping! Artie!
Wants you. He's loaded in 10. 8. Reloaded. He loaded.
Very far together. You cannot hit what you cannot see.
E5's getting aggressive on low. Dude, I hit that E5 for all his HP so far.
Our victory is in sight.
You can overmatch the T10's roof, apparently. Fucking IS-7.
I just don't want anything to do with that Artie right now.
Oh, well now IS-7. Oh, you fucking shit. Oh, fucking Artie, dude. No more. Oh, fuck off, Artie. That's right.